gaming unboxing. I finally got January's. Yes, it is almost. I was gonna say it's almost February, but it's almost March, which is crazy. So finally got it. They've been having a lot of issues. I still haven't gotten January's normal Loot Crate as well, so I'm still waiting for that one. But I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back and watching my channel and watching my new videos. If you're a new viewer, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you get notified whenever I post a video. And as well, anything that I have in today's video, anything I have in any of the newer videos for my unboxings, or in the future ones up until I make this next video, are up for grabs for the giveaway, for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So I don't know what's up for grabs yet, but if there's something you see in this video you like, or something in other videos you like, you want to have in the giveaway, let me know. Comment down below. The t-shirts are probably the only thing I'm not going to be giving away because they're specific to my size. So I don't want to, have someone not be able to wear a shirt because even though they like it, they might not be able to wear it. I don't want that to happen. So we're going to get right into this, okay, guys? Let's check this out. This month's was Apocalypse themes, so that's going to be some pretty cool stuff. I can see some Fallout, or maybe some Dead Island or Dead Rising. Something with zombies. Could be anything. Alright guys, let's get into this. Alright, first up, we're going to not do the t-shirt, and we're going to go to this. So this is a Rage 2 like tin sign. I never played Rage 1, or I think Rage 2 is out, or it's coming out soon. I have not played it. Don't really know what it's about. From what I've seen, you kind of just blow a lot of stuff up. It's kind of cool. I guess it's like a post-apocalyptic, like Just Cause, maybe. I don't know for sure because I haven't played it. But that's pretty cool. So that could be up for grabs in the giveaway. I have a Jurassic World one as well. I like that one better than this one just because I'm more of a Jurassic World fan, but still, that's not too bad. All right, next, let's do this so much. So this is what we got here. I think we got a mug or something here, and we got a mug. So this is The Last of Us mug. You can see right around there. There's the inside. It's got the logo. So this is a official PlayStation licensed product, which is awesome. I wouldn't use this in the microwave or the dishwasher though. I had a Mario one from one of the other Loot Crates, and it did do so well. In the dishwasher, it's started to peel, so I would wash it by hand for sure. That's a pretty easy mug. Hey, this could be in the giveaway too if you guys need mugs. I have tons of mugs. I really like mugs. You can put soup in them. You can put water in them. You can put coffee, tea, Bailey's, whatever. Just throw something in there. Let's do the t-shirt now. I'm excited. Oh, it's a Borderlands. So it says the Claptrap Claptrap says, "Well done, Minion." Very cool. Very cool shirt. I like the color. I like the fabric. This is going to be very comfy. It's very light. So it'll be nice in the summer as well. That's cool. Like I said, this is the only thing I'll probably keep for myself because it's a specific size, and I don't want to be giving away shirts that may not fit somebody perfectly, and they're just they look silly, or they just they get embarrassed by it. So we'll keep that for myself. I have so many shirts though. I get shirts from Loot Crates all the time. Never have to buy shirts, even though I still do because there's lots of cool ones out there. So yeah. And last but not least, I feel like these are getting really small. Usually there's like 5 or 6 items. So this is a Fallout 4. Fallout Nuka-Cola Red Power Armor Edition. So this is red or Nuka-Cola variant. So I wonder if there's different colors or different versions of this with the other Loot Crates. I don't know. It is a licensed Loot Crate exclusive, I believe. So it's got Vault. I guess it's 126. That's kind of cool. I'm not a big Fallout fan, so I don't know. Does 126 mean something is a special vault? I I don't really know. Let's try to get this guy on here. Oh. That is very cool. The detail on this thing, man, I tell you. It is phenomenal. It looks like it's from the video game. It's really well done. I don't want to break his hand. That looks cool. There you go. That's the front. There's the side. And there's the back. Like, that thing looks really sick. This could be up for grabs too, guys. Like I said, I'm not a huge Fallout fan, so I can keep it, but it'd just be collecting dust and might not be out. I think they did really well with this crate. I would have liked to see some Dead Rising or something, but I'm pretty sure they've had Dead Rising stuff in other crates before. So that's okay though. I think this one gets like a 4 out of 5. I think this is a really good one. I like the figurine. I like the cup. I like the shirt. The sign is but it's still pretty cool though. Like, just because I'm not a huge fan of Rage. Never played it. I don't know. At least I've played for the Fallout games. I haven't played Last of Us, but I don't have a PlayStation. Hopefully it will change one of these days, and I will be able to get a PlayStation. I can play all the cool PlayStation exclusives, including The Last of Us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just reading the bottom of this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you write down in the comments what you think or what you would like to see in the giveaway, if any of these products here, or other ones you know of, or something else completely. I mean, I could throw in like a $50 Amazon gift card, something else as well. I don't know. We'll see what you guys are thinking, and we'll figure it out. I should be releasing the video, doing the video next week, so maybe the week after you guys will see it. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and you know what it says. You know what it says. You know what I say. Sorry, guys. I had to add a little bit of clip here because I forgot the pin. Didn't see it in the box until now. So, you know, we'll put it in. There's the pin. Can you see? It just says like Apocalypse. There you go. That's a little better. Steering wheel, I guess it is. It's pretty cool. Alright, guys. Thank you. I just wanted to add that in there so you guys didn't lose it. Alright. Peace!